Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure academic credits with NAFSA full guide step by step clearly. To configure academic credits with NAFSA, start by visiting the NAFSA website. Create or log into your NAFSA account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Members section on the homepage. Locate the Resources tab that appears in the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Academic Credit. Explore the various resources available for managing academic credits. Click on the Guidelines link for detailed information on configuring credits. Review the guidelines thoroughly to understand the requirements and processes involved. Download any relevant documents necessary for your institution. Next, gather the academic policies of your institution to ensure compliance. Determine the types of academic credits you wish to offer or evaluate. Consider engaging with faculty members to gain their insights on credit configuration. Synthesize this information to draft a preliminary credit configuration plan. Present the plan to the appropriate academic committees for feedback. Incorporate any suggestions received from the committees. Once refined, submit the final credit configuration plan for approval. Coordinate with the registrar's office to implement approved changes. Update all relevant academic listings to reflect the new configurations. Communicate the changes to students and faculty effectively. Monitor the implementation process for any challenges or issues. Finally, review feedback after a semester to assess the effectiveness of your configurations. Adjust the configurations as necessary for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.